Hey, and thanks for joining me on this quick review of the Airbnb Guidebook Notion template. When you duplicate the template, you're going to find two different pages, one with the actual template and one with instructions on how to use the template. Let's focus on the template page. Here you can see that you have three sections, displayed in three columns. In the middle, you have a map, where you can input the location of your home. All you have to do is go to Google Maps, find your home address, copy the share link, and replace the link in Notion using the Replace feature in the settings. Then on the right side, you have quick information about your home such as the address, the Wi-Fi network and password, phone numbers, and the locker code if your Airbnb uses a locker. And now on the left side, you'll find all the different pages and databases. In the Welcome section, you first have the Welcome page, where you can write a small welcome message thanking the guests for choosing your home. Then, we have Equipment, where you can add instructions for all the different equipment in your home such as the washer and dryer, or the TV, barbecue, etc. Then, the Home Rules. You can fill out all these sections and add additional ones. This table of content is automatically generated based on the headings in the page, so don't worry about that. Then, we have Emergencies. Here you can add all the emergency numbers of your city or country. It's very useful for guests from a different country than yours, so that they can quickly access these numbers in case of an emergency. You can also add your personal phone number or your co-host phone number. And finally, we have the FAQ section. You can add any recurring questions that you have in this page. I've already added a lot of examples, so feel free to pick what applies to you. And you can add the answers inside the toggle. So when people are on this page, they just have to click to open the toggle, and they find the answer. Now let's go to the Enjoy section. Basically, we have one main database that contains everything. Here we have all the activities, so the database is filtered by type equals activity. The image in the gallery view is displayed thanks to the image inside each page. There are additional properties such as the website of the activity, if it's touristic or not, the location thanks to a Google Map link, which neighborhood it belongs to, opening hours, average price per person, and if it needs to be booked or not. And based on this neighborhood property, you can create filtered views like I've done here. So for the Northeast neighborhood, you just have to filter by neighborhood equals Northeast. It's very easy to use and navigate for the guests. If we go to the Foods and Drinks section, it's the same database, but the types are different. Here, the types are bar, restaurant, or club. But because it's the same database, you retrieve the same properties. Same for the images. You also retrieve the different views for each neighborhood. The last element of the Enjoy section is the Getting Around section, which is a basic page with information for different modes of transportation within your city such as the subway, the bus, taxi, trains, etc. Finally, we have the check-in and check-out pages. Check-in and check-out are very basic pages with instructions on one side and a nice image on the other side. It's exactly the same thing for check-out. You can add all the things that guests need to do before they leave your home. That's it for this quick review of the Airbnb Guidebook Notion template. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer it. Have an awesome Notion day.